Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I will say this lecture about my parents. I have a sweet home. There I live with my parents. My parents is very good and best. My father's name Tajul Sheikh and my mother's name Nefsana Bibi. They work hard and they also care me. My father has a own glass house and he work there. Any day my father work at night. My mother keeps the house neat and clean. When I study in my school subject and tuition subject, then my mother and father help me. From them I learn many good things and many when I mistake when I mistake then my mother and father correct me. This, so I am very happy this type of speak to this type of parents. That's all about my parents. Assalamu alaikum.